It's Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. I have no idea what to say, so I'm going to church and now I'm gonna make some breakfast, look after my plant, and then do some work before church. For the past week, Psalms 121, I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord which made heaven and earth. I've never seen strawberries this huge. I've never seen them this big. So I just did something weird for the first time. Like, I went for my milk to make the cereal, right? But it's spoiled. And I did the duty of tasting it, like, oh, let's just taste and see if it's spoiled. I'm not expecting it to spoil. Honestly, I've had it for a while, maybe 2 weeks or something, I don't know, or one. But yeah, it's spoiled, so I need new milk. Love it. Gordo. I always buy milk that says Gordo for some reason, because it just tastes like what I want. Looking so pretty. Now I'm just gonna discard the old milk, and yeah, it's so sad, honestly, such a waste. I don't know the proper way to discard old milk. I'm wondering if there's like a way to discard old milk. Spoiled milk, flush the milk down the toilet or pour it down the drain. And throw it out.
No passado, nem no futuro, mas sim a viver o presente como falou.
Okay, let's get some Sunday dinner. Just looking for something quick, so and then I have dessert. Yes. So this is something that I cooked a few days ago. I'm just gonna warm it up. As a believer, sometimes you forget to lift up your expectations to Christ, like, because that's where your help comes from. Not lift up your expectations, but direct them to Christ. And sometimes we can misdirect our expectations to expect from people all the time or from somewhere else, and expecting from people sometimes it kills you if they don't meet your expectation. And that's the thing between like God and people, is like sometimes you question the priorities of the people around you, and at the same time it's not humanly possible to prioritize all the people around you, because as people, even myself, I fall short of prioritizing those around me and their needs as well as mine. But it's also not humanly possible. But when you serve God, you know that He always has you as a priority. So whenever you experience fails, successes, joy, sadness, you always question the reason behind it, in a sense of gratitude that whatever you're doing, Lord, I know you haven't forgotten me. And sometimes you cannot have the same reassurance in people.